Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited for today's video. I'm actually going from curly to straight because I had been wearing my hair straight for a few weeks now, and it was just time for me to wash. I came from the gym, and so it was just perfect. And I'm going to be showing you how to get your hair super silky, shiny, and bringing it back to life using only a few products. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get right into the video. Okay, I'm looking real rough right now, but before I use the wonderful curl line, I just came from the gym, and so it's like the perfect time for me to wash my hair. I've been putting it off for a few weeks now, like 2 weeks, and it's time. So I'm actually going to be using the Miel Organics line. This is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin. So I'm going to use this as like a pre-treatment. My hair is semi-straight right now. It's been straight for a few weeks, and so I'm going to revert back to curly. Alright, so I'm going to be taking some of this. First time with me using it, I'm going to apply this on my hair as like a pre-glue method. Starting on the ends, bringing it all the way up. Okay, now that it's all product all over, I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair, and I'm gonna put on I need to buy a new conditioning cap, but until then, I'm gonna put that on my hair, and I'm gonna put the shower cap over it so it deep conditions, and this is going to stay on for about 30 minutes. It's been a little longer than 30 minutes, but I had to do other things. So now I'm going to get in the shower, and the two products I'm going to be using is the hair bath and then for conditioner I'm going to be using the hair mask. And I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, and I'll show you what this looks like when I get out the shower. Okay, so I rinsed out the hair mask, and I actually let it sit in longer than I was going to. I said like 30 minutes, and it ended up being hours. I ended up running errands, and I just wrapped it up in a scarf and let it sit for a minute just because I really wanted it to sit in. And let me tell you, I'm just loving this line because it's meant to make your hair feel like silk, and I just think that it's really doing that. And my hair is so soft right now, like I wish you all could touch it, but let me see if y'all can see the shine. Look at all of that shine, okay? And I haven't even put on the products yet. So next we have the hair silk, which is kind of like a leave-in product, and this is actually almost gone because I've been using it so much that I'm actually going to take the top off and just put a bunch in my hand. Oh, without wasting it, because I gotta keep it. Split my hair down the middle, and then I'm just gonna, I don't want to disrupt the curls too much, so I'm just gonna lightly run the product through my hair, and it's just going in so smooth. My hair is detangled, everything is just coming out amazing. Okay, let me tell you, these products work so much better too when you use like the whole line, because they're meant to be used in conjunction with each other. I mean, a lot of the time I just use random products, but I really do try to use one whole line on my hair because I feel like it really does just help with the outcomes of the products themselves. And so I am just, oh, hair is so soft. Like, I'm really gonna have to stock up on this line. I got it for Black Friday. They were having a 30% off sale on all the products. And so I went ahead and grabbed them. Okay, I'm gonna do, now that I've done both sides, I'm just gonna grab a little bit more. And then I like to make sure the front of my hair is good, the back of my hair underneath, and then just one last run over all the hair. When I do this, I mean, it's like 10:30-ish right now, but when I do this, I like to just like let it air dry. So I'll probably be out for a few hours letting it air dry, see what it's gonna do, and then put it in a pineapple and wear it like that to sleep. But next is the hair gel. And so this product is a little fuller because I don't really use gel on my hair, but this isn't like normal gel. It doesn't have like a crunch. It just gives it a little extra hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and just look. It doesn't even look like the gel color. Like, does this look like gel? Most gels are clear and like a jelly consistency. This is almost like some product, so like a leave-in product or something like that. So I'm just gonna use this and start at my ends and work my way up. And they all smell delicious. Ooh, just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more just to go around my edges. And then in the middle of my hair. Amazing. Okay, lastly, my hair feels so amazing. Like, you have no idea. Let me tell you, deep conditioning is just like one of those things that is a must and that you must do if you want to see results in your curls. I deep conditioned a little longer today because I have been neglecting my hair. It was straight. It just really needed one of those really deep conditioning, and that was the perfect product. So last is the hair serum. Okay, so this is like the oil at the end that you use. It's Cashmere and Caviar Hair Serum. And this says it's formulated with champagne and caviar extracts. This growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment is a solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable shine. And this is this consistency. This doesn't even look like a regular oil, right? It looks more like, I need to shake it up a little bit. Anyways, this is just gonna top it off and really have my hair shining and just complete the whole look. I'm gonna start with my ends. So while my hair is drying, I'll probably, I don't know what y'all do when your hair is drying, but like I said, it's late at night, so I'll probably just clean and let it air dry. Oh, look at this. Can we talk about magic? Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was kind of like a straight to curly slash product review video. I don't really know what I'm gonna name it yet, but I really hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't tried this line, I also know Curls is coming out with some more products. Anyway, so this is said that this line is for like extra texture hair, but I would say that it works perfect for my hair as well. And so it's all about just like finding the products that work best for you. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment on what other Curls products you have tried before, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!